Hi guys, this is Yang and I'm back with another video. This is just a short video and this is all about update on over protocol airdrop. So if you have participated in over protocol, this is a good news for you. At If you haven't heard about over protocol yet, hindi na po siya pwedeng mag-join kasi tapos na po yung mining. Pero this is all about sa mga sumali na at hindi nakaabot sa civil detection noong few months ago or yung first round nila sa Flipster. So let's check yung over protocol and then update nila. So here is the Twitter account. So they have 802.4 thousand followers na wow, grabe. Almost 1 million. Actually, sa Discord nila, they have over 3 million active users like that. So ito yung latest update ni Over Protocol. This is all about Sybil detection. The purpose of Sybil detection, if I pronounce it correctly, is para ma-eliminate yung mga bots. Yung mga, marami kasing airdrop hunters na, alam mo yan, ginagawa nila para mas dumami yung reward nila. Para makatanggap sila ng mas maraming airdrop, gumagawa sila ng maraming account. So, may mga project kasi, mga airdrop projects na um, napaka-strict nila. May ibang project naman na okay lang na may multiple users, pero si Over Protocol napaka-strict nila. Kaya kaya meron silang civil detection. So if you guys have already passed the first round of Sybil detection sa Flipster, it's okay lang na hindi kayo sumali dito. Sabi dito sa update, the new Sybil detection round with Hashkey Global X over protocol. Over airdrop. The Hashkey Global Sybil Detection includes an over airdrop which will be distributed to those who successfully complete the mission. So the mission will be open on August 19 and it will end August 26. Start August 19, ends August 26. So if you were not able to pass or join the first round sa Flipster, yung first round nila ng civil detection, you have to make sure na maka-qualify kayo dito sa mission na to. I think this is gonna be the last um, civil detection nila with Hashkey Global kasi yung mainnet nila or token generation nila is gonna be on September. So meaning yung mga sumali sa airdrops at mga eligible, makakatanggap sila ng free tokens ni Over Protocol sa September or during the mainnet. So yan yung latest update nila or yung previous update nila sa YouTube Live, yung start ng mainnet. So ayan, but since the mission will start or open on August 19, right now what you can do is mag-register kayo sa Hashkey Global at gawin nyo yung KYC nila, yung KYC. Ayan, pwede nyo i-click tong link na to, yung click link ng Hashkey exchange. Click nyo lang yan and then mag-register kayo. You can also use yung um, code ni Over Protocol para magkaroon kayo ng extra bonus if ever na gusto nyong mag-trade dun sa website. Dun sa Hashkey Global. So, Overcode was created exclusively. Ayan, ito yung code doon na i-enter nyo kapag nag-register kayo. It's optional lang naman actually. Ang mahalaga dito is mag-register kayo and then ma-KYC kayo. Why I tell it to you right now kasi matagal pong gawin yung KYC, matagal yung process. So, mas mahalaga na maipasa nyo yun ngayon, mag-register kayo, mag-KYC kayo para sa August 19, process na lang kayo ng civil detection. So, ayun lang. This is just a very short video lang kasi. So, ayun. So, sa mga hindi pa, ayan. So, ayan sabi dito, if you have already completed yung Flipstar civil detection, you are already eligible for over wallet airdrop. So, yung update na to, yung second round ng civil detection is para lang doon sa mga hindi pa nakasali sa first round. Uulitin ko, yung second round detection na to with Hashkey Global ay para lang doon sa mga hindi pa nakasama or nakasali sa first round. So, ibig sabihin, kung nakapasa na kayo sa first round at qualify na kayo sa airdrop, no need nang gawin to. Yun lang. So, ayun guys, abangan nyo lang siya sa August 19. August 19, ayan, 1 week yung timeline para magawa nyo yung second round. So, make sure na gawin nyo to kasi sayang yung points nyo sa over wallet. Hindi kayo mabibigyan ng airdrop kung hindi nyo maiko-qualify yung civil detection. So, ayun lang guys. At if you want more free crypto airdrops, you can just subscribe sa channel na to and I will always post step-by-step airdrop tutorials, especially sa mga beginners. Yun lang guys, and I hope na may natutunan kayo or may nakuha kayo ngayong araw. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back. Bye!